Hello there. I'm just going to do a quick introductory video for this checkpoint 2 that we're about to embark on in US government. I'm going to share my screen with you and we can take a look at it together. And this is a very interesting segment. I don't know if you know the meaning of the word espionage, but we will be talking about that this week. And espionage is the act of spying. So let's take a look at our checkpoint. This week we are talking about privacy, the right to privacy protection from illegal search and seizure, the guarantee of the Fourth Amendment, and the case of Edward Snowden, the American whistleblower who copied and leaked highly classified information from the National Security Agency, otherwise known as the NSA, when he was a CIA employee and subcontractor. Here's a picture of him. It's an excellent movie on Netflix called Snowden, if you are interested in learning more about him after you learn about him from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn about Edward Snowden and his act of whistleblowing. You're going to come in and take a look at checkpoint 2, and when you get ready to start working on it, you're going to, when you're done with my video here, you're going to go and watch the TED Talk video on the Snowden files. Very interesting. And from there, we are going to go into our vocabulary, and I'd like you to look up or research, define these 4 topics. Terms: whistleblower, Sedition Act, Patriot Act, and espionage. We will be talking about all of them this week. Activity 1, we're learning about the Espionage Act. You have a video here that's going to explain the Espionage Act to you. From there, you're going to go to the Padlet, the US government Padlet, and answer the following question. Should the freedoms and liberties of Americans be restricted in any way during times of war? Which freedoms and liberties can we give up, and why should we? If not, why not? So this is a question. Protecting the homeland. We're going to talk about the Patriot Act. Patriot Act was instituted shortly after 9/11. And it spent absolutely no time in the House. It approved the House immediately and then approved the Senate instantly, with the exception of 1 vote. So you're going to look at the Patriot Act and you'll learn about it from this video that you will be watching. John Whitehead, founder of the Rutherford Institute, has written that the Patriot Act violates at least 6 of the 10 original amendments known as the Bill of Rights. The 1st, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th, and possibly the 13th and 14th as well. Controversial. Why did it pass through Congress so quickly? Why do you think Congress passed this bill when it flew in the face of the Bill of Rights? What was happening in this country? What was the attitude? What was the fear? You're going to take a look at this political cartoon. Reflect on it. What is the artist trying to convey? This man in the middle is Edward Snowden. Man on the right is Uncle Sam, and we have the United States flag on the left. We see Snowden, his hand over his heart, looking at the flag. He's got a knife in the back of Uncle Sam. What do we mean? What's going on here? What do you think the artist is trying to say? Begin your checkpoint, pro or con. Should Snowden get a Freedom Medal or should he get jail time? Big controversy with this. I want you to read the Newsella article, answer the following questions. And then at the end, I want you to write 1 sentence that explains how you would vote if you were on a jury of Edward Snowden's. Would you give him a Freedom Medal or would you give him jail time? Write your response here. This is your opinion. There's no right or wrong answer. Okay, so this is our week 2 in US government. I'm going to stop sharing. Get to work. Okay, and I will see you for live class. We have live classes in government every Thursday at 11 o'clock. Be there. Okay, I'll see you then. Also, check with me for any questions. Just email me, send me a text, pop in. I'm here all the time. All right. Bye-bye.